Go to the game folder. Scroll down. Select PlayGTAV. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Choose the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Go to the internet. Search for DirectX runtime and open the installer web page. Click on Download. Run the installer, accept, and click on Advance. By installing the DirectX runtime libraries, you can make sure that your computer has all of the necessary libraries to run the game. However, keep in mind that GTA 5 Enhanced runs exclusively on DirectX 12, so make sure that your video card supports DirectX 12. If you are using an older video card, it's best to run GTA 5 Legacy, which can be run on DirectX 11, and restart the computer. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.